GSE on a day-to-day basis is there to support the operation, right? Equipment-wise, to make sure the bags are being able to be loaded, bags are being able to be unloaded. Everything that you see on the ramp, honestly, is what we work on. Anything that comes up at that moment, if it's an important thing, you get down there, we get it fixed as quickly as possible to get everything running back to how the operation needs it. My day, I always feel, goes very fast at Southwest because you come in and you're like, okay, I've maybe done this, I maybe haven't, but getting into things that you haven't had that fault before and you get to work on, absolutely my favorite thing to do. We are serious about what we do, but we always kind of try to keep things lighthearted. There's not a day I don't go into work that we don't have a good time. Listen, we are family to each other. And I feel like that. There's nothing I wouldn't do for them. There's nothing they wouldn't do for me. It's been fantastic in the GSE department as far as teamwork, management support, other people's support. It has absolutely been amazing. Southwest is 100%. They are compliant with anything you need to make your job safe. Honest to God, I've never felt safer coming to a job. So I have been at Southwest Airlines 22 years. Southwest Airlines, literally at that time, in my moment in my life, I feel like it saved me, right? Like it gave me new meaning. It gave me a purpose. It got me on with a company that embraces personalities. It embraces you, like they love the fact if you want to learn and you want to do things and you want to, whatever you want to do, Southwest would open the door. No matter what chaos is going on, you come to your leadership with a problem and they are literally, we're forgetting all about that. Sean, what do we got to do for you as a person and your family, right? And those are the things as you get on, the fact of being able to be yourself at work, being able to learn, being able to challenge yourself, being able to feel like you're not going to be made fun of for stepping out onto something and feeling uncomfortable. All those things that this company embraces is absolutely incredible. I would want to work for no other company. My name is Sean, and I'm a GSE mechanic.